I would say my 6th grade son has truly enjoyed his experience as a student, meeting weekly with his tutor for individualized tutoring sessions. I really do appreciate the rapport that the tutor has built with my son. I've witnessed him kind of activating the knowledge that he needs to respond to questions. The communication from the team, it has been very effective. They've been very pleasant and patient. The benefit of having a free individualized tutoring session, it was very impactful, and I feel like the sessions were intentional. I like to receive the feedback from what my son learned during that time together. It just gives me an overview to kind of go back and talk to him about what he gained, what he's going to look forward to the next time. I encourage other students to participate, if not for the academic, for the socialization. Since my son has built the rapport with his tutor, he's been able to communicate more at home and ask for the things that he's interested in. As a parent, I am 100% pleased and satisfied with the services, and I look forward to seeing the organizations continue to grow.